Question no 6, marks 10. Transformation of sentence. My dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also. At first, I like to congratulate the authority for arranging such a nice online class and give me opportunity to stay beside you. To tell you frankly, today I am really happy to stay beside you and talk with you. Beloved learners, do you find interest in English? Especially, I like to say English grammar. Sometimes it seems difficult to you. But why? You should remember that practice makes a man perfect. So as a student, you have to read more and more. It is well known to you that English is a global language, and at the same time, I like to inform you not only a global language but also English is rich in English is a rich language. So if we want to go through the language or literature, whatever it is, you must have to know some grammar. Especially, I like to mention voice, narration, transformation of sentence, etc. So today, I am going to talk with you about transformation. At first, you have to know what is transformation. Transformation of sentence is such kind of English grammar where the structure of a sentence is changed but not meaning. So let us practice some transformation of sentences. Complex to simple. Complex to simple. I know where he lives. This is an example of a complex sentence. We have to make it simple. I know his residence. I know where he lives. I know his residence. Here, where he lives. This. Now, this noun clause. I know where he lives. Where he lives হচ্ছে noun clause. এই noun clause কে noun phrase এ রূপান্তরিত করে এটাকে simple করতে হবে. I know his residence. The second, he admitted that he was guilty. That he was guilty. এই noun clause-টাকে noun phrase এ রূপান্তরিত করলে কিভাবে হলো? He admitted his guilt. Then, that he is honest is known to all. That he is honest. Noun clause. এটাকে noun phrase কি করছি? His honesty is known to all. আমাকে কি ইনক্লুড করে? When he will arrive is uncertain. When he will arrive. এই অংশটা হচ্ছে সেন্টেন্সের নাউন ক্লজ. নাউন ক্লজটা পরিবর্তিত হলো নাউন ফ্রেজ হিসেবে his arrival is uncertain. অনুরূপভাবে I know on which day she was born. On which day she was born. নাউন ক্লজ পরিবর্তিত হয়ে আসছে কি আই নো হিজ বার্থডে। দেন এভরিথিং ডিপেন্ডস অন হিজ বিহেভস। এভরিথিং ডিপেন্ডস অন হাউ হি বিহেভস। অন হাউ হি বিহেভস। নাউন ক্লজটা পরিবর্তিত হয়ে নাউন ফ্রেজ কি হয়েছে এভরিথিং ডিপেন্ডস অন হিজ বিহেভিয়ার। Dear students, do you understand? Everything depends on how he behaves. On how he behaves. Noun clause পরিবর্তিত হয়ে কি হলো noun phrase. Everything depends on his behavior. Then our success depends on how we work. It is true. Do you know? Our success depends on how we work. On how we work. Noun clause পরিবর্তিত রূপ noun phrase everything our success depends on একটু কেটে দিতে হবে এখানে মনে একটু মিস্টেক করে বলছি our success depends on how we work. On how we work এই পোরশনটা হচ্ছে noun phrase noun clause কে কি করছি our success depends on our work. noun clause পরিবর্তিত হয়ে noun phrase আসছে। Explain what the cause is. What the cause is. What the cause is noun clause পরিবর্তিত হয়ে explain the cause. I think now it is clear to you how to change noun clause in noun phrase. Speak what the truth is. What the truth is noun clause. Noun phrase কিভাবে আসছে speak the truth. Tell me what is your opinion. Tell me what is your opinion. What is your opinion? তোমার মতামতটা কি এটা কি আসছে tell me your opinion. Do you enjoy my class? Do you understand? I invite you to practice it more and more. Before I have mentioned, there is no shortcut way to learn English grammar. So, now I like to thank you. No more today. See you again. Best wishes to you.